Do you want to save thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on your mortgage? Today we're going to go over how to get the lowest interest rate. I'm Mohamed T Gulamali. Call me Mortgage Mo. My NMLS ID is 1128605. I'm a multi-published author, in my field, the master of my class. I've written 2 mortgage books and have dozens of financial articles. I get people into homes for a living and I love what I do. And as always, I'm here to help. Banks lend based on risk, so be less risky. Have a great credit score. You want ideally a 740 or above. If you don't already have that, get working on it. Check out my video on free credit tips, a lot of info there. Next, they're going to look at your down payment. Make a huge down payment. Put down 100%. You'll get a 0 interest rate. But just a heads up, most of those teaser rates you see online, those are for at least a 30%. I've been at this for over 2 decades. I've rarely seen a 30% or higher. Just not something that really happens. Next, you want to look at your loan term. So most mortgages are for 30 years. Instead, look at a 15-year. That does mean that instead of your mortgage payment being spread out over 30 years, the mortgage will be spread out over 15. But you'll get that lower interest rate. It's an option to look at. Another thing you can look at is a rate buy down, which is also tax deductible. What that means is the bank offers you a rate, and they say, hey, give me a couple of dollars up front. We'll give you a lower interest rate, which in the long run might save you a little fortune. Another thing you can look at is a adjustable mortgage, or what I like to call, I advise against it. The only time it makes sense is if you are absolutely 100% sure you're going to be selling the house soon. Other than that, don't do it. They're not good, not stable. Another thing you should do is shop around. Not every mortgage bank or loan officer is equal. Some of them don't even have a tux. Shop around, ask questions. When you shop around within the same 3-hour window and get something in writing, because rates do fluctuate. So, my last piece of advice is remember this. Like everything in life, timing is everything. And the cost of waiting could be serious. Such as prices may go up. You waited around to get your credit score up. You did. Yippee. But now you're paying 20-30% more for the house. Now the market rates went up. So you're paying an extra percent and a half on your interest. Where did it get you? Now, I'm not saying now is the perfect time to buy. Because at the end of the day, the perfect time to buy is when you're comfortable to. And that's my advice. So please do me a favor. Help me rank. If the information helped you, leave a comment. Hit the like button. Share and subscribe. And as always, stay blessed. Hey.